If you can watch this video to the end, you should know
I want
how
to
to install a wet sleeve in an engine. This is a wet cylinder sleeve. This is a cylinder liner rubber. You must put the rubber to prevent coolant leakage down to the oil. This is the old one. You can see the rubber has already flat. I want to replace this very one because the liner is bad. You can see the liner is bad. It has groove inside, so it will no longer work again. So this is a wet cylinder liner, and in this video you are learning how to install it. Please watch the video to the end so that you will not miss any part of it. Now let's go down to the engine. This is the engine. This is where the liner has been removed. This one, you see the liner is still okay, so I only want to replace only one liner. This is the liner. Now we have to know how to install it. We are going to install it with just a simple tools. The liner is allow coolant because the seal is bad. It's allow coolant to leak down to the oil. You can see the oil is now forming sludge. That is why I want to change the liner rubber, then also the liner itself. This is the liner. Now it is time for us to install it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. This is how I teach valuable lessons or tricks on how to repair diesel engine. This is the liner. You have to ensure that the liner sits very well. I have to shake it. It needs to sit very well properly. It has not seated. Yes, that's seated very well. Now what do you need to install this liner? Just very simple tools. You need a wood, yes, a plank across the cylinder. Then you need a hammer to hit it just like this. That is all you need. You don't need a sleeve presser because you see, just hit it gently, hit it gently. You don't need any pressure. Just with this simple tools, you can fix the liner. As you can see, I'm always done with the job. Even though it is 6-cylinder, this is how I fix my liner. This method is only applicable to a wet cylinder liner because it is thicker. If it is dry cylinder liner, you cannot use this method. In another video, I'm going to tell you how to install that very one. But this video, this is how to install a wet cylinder liner. As you can see, don't forget to like, share this video. Thank you.